What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have another unboxing. This is another Olight. This is the Olight GL M. This is the bigger version of the Odin GL and the regular Odin, and they just had a real big 40% off sale on Olight's website, and so I jumped on it and grabbed one. I'm pretty sure they're gonna have some more coming up, like around Black Friday. So, and then with any of y'all interested, keep your eyes peeled for these. But we're gonna get into it, and we'll see how this one compares to the other ones. And yeah.
Ray,
Yeah.
what's the name of that nightclub of yours again?
You talking about the Boom Boom Room?
Yeah, the Boom Boom Room. That's it.
So first off, you can see that the throw is 215 meters and the max lumens are 1500 on this one. This one does come with the green laser, and so we'll see how this one compares to the smaller version. All right, guys, let's open this thing up. You got the slip case cover, slides off. Then you got this flap here. And you get your little instructions and everything that come with it. Just take this off. You get you a nice thank you. And here's your product. Now, let's see. I'll open this one up. That's what you get. Take that out. Then in here you got your charging cable. This has a magnet on it, so it just sticks to that like that. And the other end is USB, so you can plug it up to your computer. You can plug it up into your if you have a solar generator, anything like that. Now, if you look right here, you will see 3 different symbols. One is just the light. The second one is the light and the laser. And the last option is just the laser. Alright, now I have the other 2. So this one is, this one is just the Odin. It's just called Olight Odin. So that's this one. This is the one that doesn't have the laser. This one has a throw of 240 meters and a max lumen of 1250. This one is the Olight Odin GL. The GL just stands for green laser. So. And the last one is the new one. This is the Olight Odin GL M. Now, if you look at them side by side, these are the 2 laser ones. You can see the size difference. So with the smaller one, I use these on my AR pistols. So for this one, I wanted to use this one on, a bigger gun. It's, it's much brighter, and your rifle has more real estate. So you kind of want to get you a full size light for your rifle. At least that's what I do. So, yeah. I put all three of them together so you can see. So, this one's a little smaller than the one with the laser. This is the one without the laser. This is the one, the mini with the laser. And this is the full size with the laser. Alright guys, this is the Odin, the Olight Odin. This is the one without the laser. This is the Odin GL with the laser. You can see a laser in the middle. And if I turn these both on, you can see the difference in the colors. You got the Odin on the left and the Odin GL on the right. Last but not least is the Odin GL M. So GL M, GL. With the naked eye in my theater room, I don't really see a difference. I don't want to confuse y'all, but the GL M is on the right and the GL is on the left. They both have the same laser. Alright, so let's wrap things up before I get out of here. I did want to mention that all of these lights did come with a pressure pad. I already have it installed on my gun, so sorry I didn't get to show y'all me unboxing that, but it has the low and high settings on the pressure pad, and it also has the feature where you can just push the button just to make it like the light not stay on. You can just like flash. So kind of like, let me see. Hopefully y'all can see this, but it got two different settings. You got low and then you got high. So you hit it once, that's low. Then you can hit it again and it get a little brighter. Well, this is low and this is high. So yeah, but that's about it. Want to thank y'all for checking out the video, and I hope this was able to help any of y'all trying to make a decision on rifle lights or gun lights in general. These are just a couple that I got for some of my guns. And anyway, thanks for checking out the video, and I'll see y'all on the next one.